In this video, we see the danger posed by using a freight elevator designed solely for carrying cargo to transport people. An employee boards the elevator with a load of wood and stacks the logs neatly inside. However, the cabin suddenly plummets downward. Freight elevators are not designed to carry people and do not meet safety standards for doing so. These images show just how dangerous it is to stand beneath a suspended load. As a construction machine attempts to load heavy equipment onto a truck bed, a worker is guiding the load with his hands. But within seconds, the connection point snaps, and the load, weighing several tons, plummets rapidly. Fortunately, thanks to his quick reflexes, the worker manages to escape at the last moment. In these images, the long metal profile being carried by the worker on the stairs slips from his hands, flies through the air, and strikes another worker below. These images demonstrate just how delicate the balance is with mobile cranes. As the crane attempts to lift a heavy load, its rear wheels lift off the ground, causing a brief moment of panic. Fortunately, no one was injured. To prevent accidents like this, the ground must be inspected. The outriggers must be fully extended, and the crane's load capacity must not be exceeded. An employee is trying to push a wheelbarrow filled with soil up the ramp and load it into the bed of a pickup truck. However, due to the steepness of the ramp and the uneven load, he loses control and falls backward along with the equipment. These images show just how dangerous heavy equipment used at large events can be if it isn't properly secured. The massive sound system loses its balance and topples toward the crowd, causing widespread panic. At events like these, all equipment must be securely fastened, taking environmental risks into account. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on workplace safety and accident analyses. Stay safe.